Get ready to see such a place, which is called the Land of Giants.
बट जो एक्सपीरियंस है यार रैंगलर के साथ इन रोडों पे मैं क्या बताऊं।
Deosai Plateau. The land of the giants. Where for centuries no man but wildlife has ruled. Which is completely covered with snow for 8 months and colorful wild flowers for the remaining 4 months. We will take you to the great mountain plains of the world, surrounded by the Himalayas and the Karakoram mountain ranges 4,000 meters above sea level, which is the home of brown bear, which is the roof of Pakistan, where the sky blue water of Deosai Lake and hundreds of colorful wildflowers around it will make you crazy. Deosai Lake, which is the heart of Deosai, and when it beats it creates madness. So get ready to forget yourself and see these great mountain plains of the world, which are not just plains but insanity. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the wanderings of Deosai devotees. Channel of the Wanderers of the Universe Zigzag News. We make it special.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards, our dreams